anyone can be a role model because of social media. Yabo, umuntu social media, you can choose to follow anyone, and that person can become a role model. And the worst part is that lo muntu awumazi uphila yiphi impilo ngale.
Iningi labantu esasibukela kubona babenama-result, and on top of ekubeni nama-result wabo, you could see even ne-character yakhe umuntu ukuthi hayi bese uyalibona leli razo, singaze siye kude ko-TV, mhlampe nje khona la siphila ngakhona.
Take machiteni. Welcome to the Ins Podcast, ladies and gentlemen. Igama uNkanyiso Nqome, you host. Danke machiteni, danke mzala, danke mhlobo. So correct, mo. Joshua Beer.
See, man. Awusuphetile. Botsha kambala, Grandis esikhona, the Ins Podcast, uPurple Shepherd sesikanje, botsha.
Second to none, first of his name, king to the wise and wise to the king, Jack Kalala in the building, and it's gonna be great. Danko.
Thank you, Jack Kalala. Thank you, Wesuri King.
Because it's the Women's Month. Thank you, my sister.
Oh, thank you, my sister.
Thank you.
Keep playing you.
Wow, okay. So we're going to do it from here as well. Angel could not be with us yet again, but we love you.
Thank you, machiteni.
Thank you, mzala.
Thank you, mhlobo.
Thank you, Putu Nagunja.
Thank you, Puteswan.
Thank you, Putu Coffee Pig.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Utedi Waganzama, also known as Utedi We Coffee.
Nobody's.
Tango.
Diego Sane, danke machiteni sibuhile or kanjani. Bethu Japiri, bethu Pepulwan, bethu Ntana Santosh. Emothi relaxele namhlanje upholile. Aphole kakhulu.
Swakile lapho.
Phole kakhulu Ntana Santosh. Abafethu kade sanigcina siyasibuye kodwa.
Yeah.
Siyasibuye ya. Siyazi ukuthi bese nisikhumbula. Kanti isho yamajita noma sestere le. Skem second sikanjeni ngabusakhala. Correct so. Ngabusakhala mafethu sikanje. Shapiri sibaphatheleni bandaka.
Hayi machine.
Too much.
Asadinga la sister.
Asayisha?
Screen.
Hayi.
One
Sikhulumile ngisho party.
I know sibatholele yabo. Lot but
Hayi bethu.
Noted.
Shobe ukuthi into sivele sinibeke eceleni one time.
Noted. Mina ngiyamuzwa.
Uthini wena?
bakhala.
Ngikwazi ukumthuka bola ngoba ngoba khona umphakathi. Kodwa nje sengimthukile futhi ngicile. Amen.
Mom.
Awuyizeni suggestion yakho ukuthi ama-sister bethu sayidini amajita.
No, but yazi wamuza ukuthi ukhuluma nani okudelele ekucini.
Oh,
Yes, inanokweyisa yabona ke. Yeah.
Shepherd awuqondisa.
Hawu kanje angesanjani.
Bayogiyala, yamuz? Bakhale la. Nandani. Yes, because
Bendelea.
yeah.
Ukhala na.
So yabo tengisoyo ukuthi ayihambi ngolayini oright.
Onabiza le.
Mina bengakusho lokho uJack oqhama. Nangizanga
Awunambamba shepherd. Yes.
nazayiphathe lokho. Yazi ke basiza.
Ngicela ukugoduka xa ningiphasine letheni ikwama ngapho ngihamba.
Sesinonyo kangaka ukuthi sibaphatha kahle abantu besifazane uzohlukumeza uthobeka.
Uyaqaba. No, but I know great Lanombala. Shout out to Dr. Nkosi, actually, what she did, man. It's really, yeah, but in that great, yeah. David, I posted it on my safe space, shout out to her. And I wish we can get more of ama-clip anjeyana yabo kubantu abafika la basho their experience, you know. So it's a good thing because I also receive a lot of DMs of people also wanting to come now after their video abanye ngingabazi futhi ba-follow yena actually. So shout out to her. Siyabonga.
Mandeni shine.
Yeah. Sazi-ke mfethu.
Mandeni. Okay, shy Mandeni.
Hayi.
Rashid.
Showcase.
Siphakamiseni ulelo lethi mandini. Kanjani manje?
Azovele sithi tirayo futhi. Asithi Mandeni. Shout out Malung.
How did that make you feel, Shapir?
It felt so good. For me, I think we need more of amalokuzana njeyana because social media futhi igcwele izinto ey'negative ngama-arts kakhulu yabo and i-algorithm iyayiphusha la nombolo. So if kuzoba khona i-content ekanjeyana esherwayo, I mean, if you can spread it more, I think ingayilwisa le negative message ekhona about ama-art, you know, uba space nama-cheater. Yeah, well, so I think it's a good thing. You know, I think we need more of that. Because also, not to ukuthi mhlampe yenza anything else to us, because siyazazi thina singama-outer right, yabo. But the fact that there are women who still see ukuthi kuse kunama-cheater, you know, angenze ngafila ngale ndlela into enzima esikhathini samanje ukuthi uze abantu besimame beyisho. You know what I mean? Because
Yeah.
sivele siphentwe ngebhande elilodwa sonke kuthiwa lezi yafana yabo. So shout out to her, man, you know. Yeah.
Shout out to you guys as well.
Yeah. Mhlambe let's echo imessage yakhe bethu ukugqugquzela ama-art ukuthi bethu try to create more of these spaces ukuthi ama-sister uma efika endaweni.
Omunye uzothi kwenziwa kanjani mhlambe kanyisi because yabona when I was watching lokuzela that clip, yeah, for me it's like okay, cool. Amachita amanye for sure because abanye they were like thinking for myself ukuthi say I wonder uchaza ukuthini, you know, methi ngifike laphana lama-out ngayibona ngabongise because kunalento yokuthi okay manje kumele kanti sibe amabhotela yini ukuze, you know, because umuntu aka-understand yabo. Into ayishilo kuqala when I got there, the guys asked me, let's start answering umbuzo wakho ukuthi okay, are you comfortable with 1 and 2 and 3 and 4? And then because enye ezinye izinto because abanye abantu aba-understand mebefika kuma-environment akanje begcwele khona ama-cheater because kune-story already umuntu azizwa ukuthi once wayendaweni ekanje ebusuku khona usekumakile la labolo abagcwele la, you know. And so now because abanye they've been to settings or spaces at night where maybe they're a powerful man or whatever, abantu aba-influential, and then they touch them most, yabo, indlela engekho grand, yabo. So I think mhlawumbe omunye uzobuza ukuthi how do we create that safe space or thina siyi-create kanjani la mhlampe
Yeah.
leyo safe space because naku nje kuyilokishi.
Yeah, kubalulekile because kukhona ama-art angamisinterpret uthola ukuthi bacabanga ukuthi no yenziwa uhlobo lama-out thizeni. Just because ukwazi ukwenza umuntu wesifazane afile safe, that means wena unaso is-out, yabo. Just because wena ukushuthi kukhona unobhotela phakathi kwanye inyoni because kuba kanjalo mfethu. I think leya mpahla iqala ekuthenini when you do not over or even sexualize umuntu wesifazane, especially kwiy'nkathi la kungekho necessary khona, because amajita anayo leyo ngqondo leyo ukuthi nje avele afuna ukusexualize umuntu wesifazane, ayibo usumbuka izinto ey'ningi mfethu. It's not about that, and akukona inyoni ukuthi uma u-interacta nomuntu wesifazane ungambuki ngalelo lihlo, yabo. Akudingi ngisho nokuthi umbuke sokwasisi wakho, no, i-mindset nje ukuthi umuntu singabantu sharp. Akudingi ukuthi u-acta ngazuthi usisi wakho, no, we can interact as friends but without ukusexualizana kwabantu because ingqondo ama-arts phela iba lapho. Kufana nokuthi mengingase ngikubone wena uhamba nethekeni uyongena naye endlini kwakho
Hawu Shepherd
Finishing.
Hawu Shepherd ushaya. Lapho gripileka ngangithole.
No, you wingekho kwalapha ingqondo.
Even if uthi uzamile.
But emajiteni sekunjalo.
Uyazi ukuthi right.
Nawe kusuhambe emajiteni uyopheka isitori sakho tsano hayi. Hey plazi.
Uzosaka. Waphela ufuna ukuprove uthi umbishayeli ubani. Bangapi lolo babaqamba amanga bathi bashaye kamethi right. Hey go on ukuthi.
Kukula sumele sona la Christopher mekama me.
Anyway, sorry bro.
Etheni ushaye ingane.
Hey komba la.
Kadapa. Yeah, so phela liyaphatla nathi sakhula sinaleya nto ukuthi siyavunya ukubona uhamba nomuntu wesifazane as if there's something about it, yabo.
Njengawe ngithu uyayishaya ingane.
Hey mfethu, uyacabanga.
Konke ispanisa kuhamba nabo uyabashutha nempela.
Mfethu bayawabhala ama-reviews bayachaza bathini. And
No,
it's not something that I'd really try to even go outside of my way explaining it. Khona enye ithekeni kade ngiyishutha igqoke ikhohle ibizwa ngani lo hlobo bodysuit,
Yeah.
yabo. Yeah. So uyachaza ke wayeyislender kudala manje thick, yabo. Eyislender wayehalela umzimba othe ukuthi, yabo, esawuslender. So mase ke utholile umzimba othe ukuthi sekezibona ukuthi thick manje useyarealize ukuthi unama stretch marks unani she's no longer comfortable with her body, yabo. So now makeze ezobhukha for i-photo shoot waphatha zonke iy'mpahla wabese wayiphatha la outfit but wayireserve la outfit for ukuthi akekho sure ukuthi uzokwazi yini ukuyishutha noma ngiyakwazi ukuyishutha but we ended up siyishutha lo outfit and then wabese wabhala seke reflector sekehleli kubo ukuthi yes siyazi bafethu kade ngiyohalela umzimba kanje but now that sengiwutholile ngishawa ilama insecurities lami. Ukuposta kwami lezi ithombe it took so much than just ukuthi ngiyiposte because bengilibele ngiyi-doubt but ke also thanks to uNkanyiso for creating such an environment where I'll be able ukuthi I can even explain the process ukuthi for me to be able ukuthi ngikwazi ukuthi ngize ngiyishoot
Explain that.
yabo i-process ukuthi
Yeah.
no it's simple. Okay, so usually estudio la ngispana khona kuba yimina noMalwande bese kube khona uma-Oledi bese kube khona uThula sometimes bese kube khona abantu abazongena bephuma bezofuna izinto estudio. However, when you do something ngomuntu engekho comfortable, you then try to create ispace citizen sokuthi akwazi ukuba comfortable. It's either uphuma wonke umuntu kusala uma-Oledi okanye wonke umuntu uyasuka emehlweni but sibe la estudio sisuke emehlweni and then if into efana naleyo uyacisha phela nawe indlu ukuthi ungabe nawe uzuyithola mese-ke grand uzokutshela ukuthi ake sengiyi-grand singaqala nakhona futhi ukhanyisa ilambe lizokwazi ukuthi likwenza ukuthi kube lula ukwenza umsebenzi. Nano uyibhalile vele naye phansi, yabo, wayichaza nje kahle ukuthi afeza ukwenza but into emnandi ukuthi amanye ama-client engangawashutha they can still echo the same message. So it's just creating that but also understanding ukuthi more than anything labantu banama insecurities. Kodwa enye ngifike ngingayi-understand i-out. Uthole ukuthi i-out siyayibona eThekwini siqhamuka nesithombe sebikini kuyo. So i-out bese question eThekwini ukuthi hawu bukhumbulela omunye umfana. Bese iyaqala-ke iyajumpa-ke lapho. But man into eyighost ukuthi kwi-out so wena uchaza ukuthini ngalo sisi? Ukuthi okushuthena njalo la mayifika ukwenza kwakhe lento kuchaza ukuthi wenze 1 no 2 no 3. Umthemba kangakanani?
It's difficult leyo browser because I mean we come from different environments as school. Because omunye njengoba uyikhulumile uba nenkinga yokuthi if umuntu esimama wakhe ezoveza lokho yabo afake ama-costume bese eyoshutha umuntu umjida
Sure.
engekho une-ghost kodwa akanayo i-ghost mhlawumbe mebebhisha eyifakile i-costume.
Eish. Yeah. Angiziphela ibuza lokho.
Shuthi
ukuthi uchaza ukuthini nalo muntu ukuthi njengoba bevalelene endlini boba u2 wena umthemba ukuthi lo muntu unama boundaries enough umuntu wakhe oqala ngoba phela mengaphandle ayikho ighost.
shuthi inkinga ikuyena nje. For me, I think the problem ayikuwe.
But kodwa also I think enye into ke ngeke kuba khona phela stereotype kulo msebenzi usenzayo ukuthi hayi
La ngoba phela phela it's khona nama-move, khona leya move leya lo mfito ayishuta bavethe kakhulu.
so kunama stereotype kanjani.
Into enjalo, yeah, because phela ngithi it comes back to the topic yesterday yabo ukuthi abo ubuka la out la niyashaya isithombe i-role model.
khona into enidwadla nje ibuka
Ngishaya
ithano
isithombe ngishayile.
ukuze kuzojinga.
Yabo Lord.
Yeah.
Yeah. So kuyenzeka.
Focus kangaka plus ngathi uyibambile.
Hayi. Abana. But mina feel ambaleka kube ngifuna ukuthi okay so for lamajida lawo futhi ayithola akuleso simo leso sichaza njengamanje yabo abe nama insecurities wabo abachero wabo.
Yeah.
So how do you put them at ease njengomuntu oyiphotographer odila nazo lezi zinto ukuthi ayikuse relaxana because khona le movie yashabhile
Yeah.
le visizayo.
Hayi fethu mina yazi fethu Teddy ngisazama ukuyicabanga nampahla akukho lula fethu yabo cause ngeke ngithi mina hayi fethu bras ngeke relax no cause manje ngizama uku-invalidate ama feelings akho no even nama instincts akho we out yabo so into engingizame mina ukuthi sister fika nomngane wakho fika ne-oled fika ne-out yakho uma comfortable ngalokho yabo kuvumelekile ukuthi abantu but into eyighost ukuthi mase kefikile ne-out kuzokwenza ushuthe kanjani akasakhuleki because i-out
Uyayazi.
but mase ibuka iy'thombe art eziblind mezishuthe ingekho yabo ukuthi ke vela ngikho mningi ke kulowo mkhakha lo cause ukhona lo mkhakha umnabanikazi bawo la bashaya khona ama-bed photoshoot la kuhlezi nje kuthiwa ukuthi akugqokwanga nganye makugqokiwe kugqokwa kancane yabo khona nje ezidila nazo zinama-techniques a-different-ke zona but since mina ngiwumuntu okhava almost yonke into ngike ngizama ukuthi ngiyenze environment neutral if we-out enesikole ayifika futhi but my sister uncomfortable flathela yabo but still futhi nawe uma kuthi umthetho wakwakho okanye umthetho wakho ukuthi mama lingenzi into ekanje alingayenzi fethu yabo into ekanjalo.
Yeah, I was gonna go to that point, Uguti. We can always look at it in two ways.
Yeah.
For another guy, it's not that they're insecure. Maybe it could be a communication issue. Maybe the girlfriend said, I'm going for a photo shoot. He didn't understand, Uguti. Pull your photo shoot kuzophuma. Then next thing he sees on Instagram when uhleka naye because uthanda ukuhleka nama client. And then when he sees the output of the pictures and then he puts two and two together. This girl said they're going for a photo shoot. I saw her on Instagram laughing with Tunkanis. And she got naked in front of him.
Yeah.
No 2 and 2 1. Ngoba it's nothing.
No, phela lo communication ighost ikubona.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. So the issue becomes a poor communication between the two of them.
Ukuthi umuntu wakho utheni kwena uthe uyokwenzani la yakho uthe yosantuza izinqa noma uyokwenza futhi
Shoot, because no, you think imali photo shoots and then
asha omunye layini omunye uthe uyangicasula lo cabanga ukuthi bekuyosantuza izinqa ngani lapha.
so it goes two ways.
Ake namantombazane izinto indlela zibeka ngayo ma awufethu chazela i-out understand afethu le-out professional.
But now you said it. Abanye phela it's different. Yabo just be relationship mhlambe yabo.
Kunezinto
Yeah,
zabo
zakho.
kuney'nkinga zabo yeah but ke lokho ke it ties in back to us creating that environment here sama-out ukuthi vethu ispan
Yeah.
yabo nala nathi vethu it's not only le environment la kwi-Ings podcast ayenzelwanga only abantu besifazane amajida ayafika la akhale ngento efanayo ukuthi yes sibafethu yabo kwaze kwa-grand la yabo into ekanjalo so ayenzelwanga i-gender no uma ufika nje uyi-out nawe uyabona ukuthi hayibo ngaphathi wathi kanje amawadi ngathi ngiyilokhu njani because i-environment is built for that's what we do yabo but kule nto yama-role model oboyisho Shapira I think iyona phela ephinde ishaye vethu So ukuthi-ke usuthi uyakhetha-ke nawe usungene kumkhakha walezi zinto lezi usungenele into e-wrong. Usufuna ukuqala i-podcast ngoba kuphathwa amathikithi, then kuba inkinga. Ufuna ukuqala ukushutha ngoba sekwenziwe ukuthi kuba inkinga. Because the way we also aspire to do these things is very different. Into senze i-podcast esi-inspire-shile, it's different than omunye umuntu, yabo? Into ekanjalo. Angazi noma singajomba yini le mpahla namhlanje. Ngithi ayazi masidadlile. Angifuni ukukuvalela phandle nje uthola ukuthi usasele.
Genau.
Uthola ukuthi usasele. Yabo?
Genau. Actually, it was a topic that Musa came up with, you know, because of what happened with the episode last week. Kadokotela Nkosi into uThabeka ayikhulumile ukuthi waye role model yakhe, and manje uThabeka usey role model yabanye abaningi ngoba phela manje usephuma ku-TV. Hayi correct sithabakile.
Bafethu Shabir.
Iyaqinisa kasilapho shaya amanzi lapho ngeke.
Alright, bafethu.
Umi.
I'm still recovering a bit of AIDS.
Correct cele ngawo mina. Lisa shaya 4 V8 with lead. Hayi kulaya kartap. Kulaya mwana.
Get good to a bit today.
Shabir bezisiphuma enconyeze sithenza wenzani?
Noma kuyimini.
Wenzani?
Mebona mina ubona i-out yakhe nene ixolele.
Wenzani mfethu? Wenzani?
Aboni nje.
Wenzani? Wenzani?
Ntombazane.
Ayobe.
Wenzani? Yazi bengamasho nje
Uyazi lo if bela ngabe udila nami kilapha ukuthi uyena. Yobe.
That's fair.
akhe angudishona.
Woza phela bekubuzile
Sure.
phela. Uzosho something.
Yabo nje sengididizwe lento. Uyesibuka ukuthi
No, besikhuluma indaba uDr Nkosi abe role model yakho.
absolutely.
Yes.
Yes. She did a phenomenal job. In what she portrayed, rather in what I saw growing up in her. And not only from a distance, even when she came closer, she was still the very same person that I saw from a distance. And so it brought so much joy. And we were even talking about it, Uti. It was such an honor to have sat in front of her, rather beside her, to actually interview her about her life.
Excitement kwekwazi excitement yakusakaza
Yazi
abahleki
abahleki ngithi hayi imashe kakhulu la. But it was so dope.
uselibele sasiprifana ngabe uyaxoxa uya
Showers, that's track.
no kade vele i-angle umuzi aqhamuka kuyona ile yokuthi I think kwakungcono back then kudala because umuntu awukwazi ukuyikhethela i-role model. Ama-role model ayikwazi ukuthi abe not really ukuthi wawuyikhethela wawukhethelwa due to izindlela izinto ezenzeka ngayo. But manje anyone can be a role model because of social media. Yabo uma umuntu ku-social media you can choose to follow anyone and that person can become a role model. And the worst part is that lowo muntu awumazi uphila yiphi impilo ngale. Kanti la ulelo uyambona ukuthi uyahamba eThekwini uyadansa uya esikoleni uyabuya futhi uza la uyabona nasedladleni ukuthi kukanje. Namanye ama-role model angasemadladleni umbona emasho ushaya ispan aphinda abuye futhi manje umbona only ku-social media ukuthi uyiruhle kanjani into isikelemu sakhe.
Thebele bephela mfethu, mthebele.
Ubona nje wena ama-greener pastures.
Kepheke.
Ugcina usushawa nayi-depression ukuthi yes sesimpilo yami. Yabo iyona mfethu iyona.
But it's you one message.
I think maybe something we can start back, you know, with like those role models back then. Yeah, well, we choose kanjani abantu, you know, to be a role model. You know, what were the things that some of us as don't sakubona back then, you know, because I feel like iningi labantu esasibukela kubona babenama-result, and on top of ukuthi ekubeni nama-result wabo, you could see even ne-character yakhe umuntu ukuthi hayi mfethu uyalibona leli razo, you know, singaze siye kude ko-TV mhlampe nje khona la siphila ngakhona emalokishini or emakhaya umbone ukuthi ubaba womuzi lo, you know, ufocus, ushaya ispan, ushaya othayi yabo, ushaya ispan nje futhi une-van lakho uyabo ukuthi hayi futhi impilo e-right lena, uyabo. Beside lokho okunye ukubona okubhayizisayo, but you look at that ukuthi no man lo baba unesithunzi, you know, umzwile udokotela last week ekhuluma ngethama lakhe ukuthi ithama elindaweni elihlonishwa ngenxa yokuthi linesithunzi, you know, and i-character yakhe. So I think back then kwakubhekwa lezo zinto, hey manje dog, ayi le character ayisachekwa manje bro, uvele nje mfana, uvele uphoste ividiyo ku-TikTok uthi 1 million views, hhayi-ke lapho sesizozwa ngawe mfana,
Role model yakho.
advisor-ke man. Yabo.
Why umukuJack kanje we?
Naku. Ukhathi ubuze Mike ngabe ngithi intwana yamfakazi. Nangu.
Mfethu indlela okhuluma ngayo ngazi ukuthi ngiyazama ukumpictureisha lo muntu but ngathi kwakukhona umuntu wena wawubukela kuyena straight.
Babone
Baba nevene yena
khona makhelwane. Ngibambile ivele.
ngibonile ithama ngiyalitshela
Likhona 2 hours from my house nje. Lalikhona lethama lalaphana mfethu, yabona li-grand, ubona ithama liyekeke Sunday, yabo, cause lona thama lisithatha lisise esontweni lisifaka kwivele singalifuni isonto, yabo. So uyambona ukuthi ubaba lo alright, uyabo ukuthi nami mfethu ngifuna ukufana naleli thama. Ungakaboni lawa ku-TV but uyabona nje leli thama ukuthi ithama li-right, yabona nje mfethu liphethe grand, linomthetho nje osharp, straight, yabo. So I think those are the things, bro, that we were first introduced to before sibone laba be-TV, or musician, actors, soccer players, yabo. But asakhona ama-role model anjalo in our society. Esiphila now, la siphila khona, you know. It's just that phela they are not glorified when, unlike lawa wo-TV, because bona they amakethwa and always see them worse again now on social media because I get them is pushela wona strong lawa ngekho great, you know. So I think back then those were the things esasiyibona, and those were things as you know, you want to be like that person because ubona indlela ayiphethe ngayo, you know, and une-reference on top of that, and uyayibona futhi lento ayibuildile. Awu manje mfethu, hey kubuya good man, wonke umuntu manje uyibona role model, thola nje imike necamera izokumashela. And there's no accountability, there's no responsibility, uyayiflowela, you know. And worse manje lezi ama-podcast.
yazi mfethu ngiyazama ukucabanga ukuthi even though babekhona ama-celebrity back then babenayo leya nto ukuthi basiphe that thing to aspire to things, yabo, but they were very but kodwa laba babeseduze yibona babeyighosti kakhulu for us. Lamathama nje la umbonayo ukuthi yabo, ngisho kuthiwa-ke ithama elalincinza-ke sharp nali noma kuthiwa ithama but ume la eduze at least yonke into uyibona la, yabo, ingcono. Manje ku-social media and isikhathi esiningi sispenda khona mfethu, and umuntu ushaya iclip mhlambe ka-15 minutes okanye ka-30 seconds or 15 seconds. Ithini uvidorizer umuzi noma uvidorizer into ayenzayo bese ucabanga ukuthi wena that's their life. Kanti umuntu mfethu akarekhodi 24 hours wakhe. Awukwazi mfethu ukukopela ama-snippets empilo yomuntu. Unaye umuntu umeshaya i-content umefila ngathi, yabo, ume-excited, ekhalela ukuthi hayi le izotrenda. Hayi makunzima, hey asikho isikhamsefo emzimeni no, but umebona ukuthi lezi inyimbi lezi azingangitrendisi. Phinda delete futhi like no, i-angle be better. Do you consider that yazi kunama-video nokwabona online mfethu uthola ukuthi i-couple ne hey ubone ukuthi ikwazi kwamnandi la. Do you remember ukuthi ekusekunekamera barekhoda la bantu khona umuntu ayisethile between bona bowu-two khona uhambe nayo press record. Do you consider that before yenzeke leyo nto?
Ayothi nokugula phakathi leyo.
Ubone ne-angle yakhona ukuthi usharp le angle yabo ukuthi khona
Ayicaba eliplaniwe lo. Ukuthi cha thina sizokhala. Njengecouple.
hayi ngiyazi angimazi ukuhlangabezana.
Ngoba sifuna ama-views TikTok. Facebook uyakhokhela. Kumele sikhale ukuze sikhokhele uFacebook. Uyayibona indlala itshana. Because indlala leyo. That now people have gone to the level where they don't even care about, they're not even ashamed. You know, it's like, I can do whatever. I mean, sasa ikhuluma nalombolo at a time. I think sasabe where galesa skati when abantu beqala bezwe ukuthi like Facebook is paying, you know, like imali manje. And baqala manje bavula imali. Uyakhumbula video le yashaya that girl abela. It was almost like 2 million views.
Ngiyaziphi.
Video mnyuke.
Awuyiseva?
Favezi mama.
Awunayo?
Angina.
Somebody put it down.
But kodwa enye into umuze beyikhalela enkulu ukuthi even now the way these things are being curated, like ama-celebrities wethu okanye ama-role models wethu, let me not say ama-celebrities ethu, even ama-brands, they are no longer doing their due diligence in terms of selecting those people for us.
Yeah.
They just base them ukuthi umuntu unama-numbers and then they reward them nge-sponsorship okanye nge-brand ambassadorship, yabo. And then emva kwalapho sesikopela kulo muntu still sithi siyayibuka impilo yakhe ngala bethu.
Come on. Yeah, I think brands now don't care about all of that anymore. I mean, before they used to care about.
The social responsibility.
Yeah, like are you family person, you know, Pumekalja and younger minds, I don't care. So long as you have numbers, pushing the numbers, because that's what they care about. Numbers, you know. Even if two yasha nagbonta ayanta uko credit look basuzala kulu ngapo babonta utomoroza izomashisa vele because vele ngokutomoroza why attention all because for them it's more about attention because the more attention they get the more they make more money.
Yeah.
But that's why abanye kuyo yonke lento umuntu ugcina and then they become suicidal because now ayisekho leyanto usevele wahamba kakhulu nakuqala because you see possess ilento attention endlela ukuthi manje attention is everything, so they will try and do everything ezobanika attention and it becomes a disease, that thing, because you're no longer yourself. It's like now you've already sold your soul to this attention, so if you don't get it you must find something also ukuze ithole attention because kumele, because now le nambolo brilliant manje ngaziwa ngayo because I know the minute I post I'm gonna get like serious numbers and everyone is gonna be talking about me, so I'm important now. It's crazy, you know, how things are right now, and because Gembela, we are really losing ourselves because of such, you know, the way algorithm has been conditioned right now too. Because umuntu ukahlale bro babona abantu, especially on TikTok, more umuntu lo uyibona ngempela expect lento. Awu, and lapho phethu hey ama-views azowashaya dog. But mawuthi uyayibuka le nombolo akhuluma ngayo, hayi bafethu lo muntu akanama-results but uyayisho lento, a-advise abantu besimame benze njalo. But uthi uyayibuka uthi hambe semjondolo phakathi uvuzana uconsa bhe umjondolo ijulukile imanzi itshela ukuthi yena yeah. I'm like thinking, bro, but
Usukhwepha mani.
no, angisho kanti bra.
Manje khona ukukhuluma ngivele ngibapicture nje nabantu akazaba ngiyona indlela isithomo sidweba ngayo.
No, but it's sad, you know, let's so advise ama-certain
Outline.
Uyambona lo muntu adila naye noma ungamani.
No, till namuntu, but it's like
Picture nje lenjulukile semkhukile.
and it's telling you that
Uvuta phu.
you're stuck and then you tell like bro, like sort your life before you even mfethu. Angi-attack umuntu mfethu, angisho umuntu, but nje ingenxa yesikhathi esiphila kusona ukuthi everyone thinks just because they have attention now they qualify. Which is a sad thing because even nombukayo uvela ayitshela ukuthi iyona lento because this person's got numbers. So therefore we think right because une-attention. Kanti no. Hence now you find iy'ngane following all type of people anyway. Uzonithi ngitele.
Ushilo vele usushilo. Oh,
Ungayikhuza usushi.
awungayikhuza usushilo ukuthi uthe wena sizile la.
Uqedile.
But kodwa I think kukhona lokho ukuthi i-algorithm nayo ngiyi-understand ukuthi igcine sisifida kanjani labantu ngoba it's curated ukuthi kube yithini esiyifeedayo. Ifeeda off of us.
Yeah.
Kodwa still iyakwazi ukusiproducela i-nonsense. Like I don't understand.
Well, the way
Do you get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Ukuthi lezi zinto lezi ezi-stupid ezithendayo yilezi zinto thina esiyi-consume-ayo.
yeah,
And then bese sigcwale
yeah, I hear you. I think you also now you can control it and tell it no, I don't want to see this content, and it won't show. But if you don't, it will keep coming because if all of us here are consuming, let's say consuming e-tomb, and I have your number, not Jack as well, you know, and we always see your stuff on your social media. Somehow, naming totally tomb as help. Because I have your contact. Eventually, they're gonna try and push it my direction. And if I like naked pictures, they will push it to somebody else's direction who's also part of my contact as well. And it keep growing like
Hey.
so that's what they do.
Sharp here. Ulapho ubulike ngoba usupport iBrian.
Yeah.
Sibuyiselene.
Even with as loud as like conversation, we can have a conversation like with our phones, and somehow our phones will pick it up. Thinking I'm born. Uprawa.
Awingane to. Ubusupport iBrian. Toleke manje.
Siyabuza uthethe goqa ngami isikele i-algorithm ikubamba once off. Ayimashi kanjani. I-algorithm ibamba iphatheni ingaqambi nje amanga.
Yeah.
Ibamba iphatheni yayo iyazisuggest izinto uma ungayinqakanga leyo nto iyadlula ikubambe kwezayo. Ikuvezele wathi ayilokhu unje
And it's so
iyathinda
real.
futhi. Hayi they're very effective. But kukhona okwayichaza ukuthi wayiplan. Dana mjakadina first before sibaleke.
No, I was going to say that I think the question we need to answer is who chooses who is an influencer, right? The basic answer would be the algorithm. And then what is the impact of that and who's going to be held responsible for the pandemic we have now? Because you can go on Instagram, maybe even search Patrice Motsepe. Look at how many followers he has. And then search someone you know that has produced nothing, but maybe just 5 dancing videos. And look at how many followers they have. Something is off about who is being promoted or the type of content that is being amplified. There's two parties to blame. It could be the consumer that I'm giving you what you want, but is giving us what we want the right thing for us? This 12-year-old that likes girls is giving them content of girls in bikinis, what they need, or it's just what they want? Who's responsible for what comes up in these people's algorithms? Of late, I've been seeing a lot of betting videos, like from your normal influencers, like I'm talking SA influencers, they're all promoting gambling. But if you look at the average age of their viewers, between 10 to 18, under the age of gambling, who's being held responsible for that? But you'll see them easily promote those things, but there's huge implications of getting someone who's 16 to believe that gambling is a way to generate wealth. Huge. And these are the things that are going to affect the economy big time. So this is a layered topic. It's so beautiful that we can look at it from one point of view and go hard on the algorithm, go hard on what they're producing and giving these kids to consume. Because now you have influencers that have nothing to influence people on. So what do brands do? They hijack that influence. They say, sell them this face cream because you are an influencer. And then that plays a ripple effects because me as a viewer, I'm like, for me to work with Dove, I just need to start making dancing videos, share 100K followers, and then I get a brand deal. Or it becomes a source of income. So then it becomes a triple validation. Oh, this person that has nothing real to offer, and not to try and like to say dancing is not real. No, dancing is grace.
So shit,
Yes, the point I'm trying to drive across is that there are brilliant minds, like genius people who are doing brilliant things that should be influencing the generations, who are creating content on how to build a washing machine from scratch, how to do this, but they'll get 100 views, 150 views. They can't influence, so brands don't go to them to tell the kid that, hey, the way for you to get this brand is by being really productive, building a real business. But no, they know that if I can do a few prank videos, I'm gonna get 100K followers, then I'm gonna get a betting company to come and give me, so I can then show them on my phone how I also gamble. So it's a big, big, big topic. And I think we need to take it from that point of view. Who are we blaming for this? Are we saying that these social media companies must be held responsible for what they're feeding our people, what they're feeding people on a day-to-day? And then the brands, how can you go work with someone who has nothing of substance, just following? So yeah, that's my question to you guys.
I statement of a question.
The ending question, who do we blame?
Or
Brands, or are we blaming the algorithm?
I'm tempted to say bonke.
Yeah,
Because brand une-social responsibility. However, lama brand kuwona aphampa kakhulu imali okanye nebudget enkulu ye-advertisement ilaba adayisa izinto ezirong. That's the first thing you must understand about advertising and marketing, ukuthi laba abane-budget eningi yoku-advertise ilaba abadayisa izinto ezirong for i-society. Ibona laba abafuna ukuthi senze lezi zinto lezi, hence bephampa imali. So bona-ke abanawo ngisho nalama ethics lawo ukuthi wathi sike si-check ukuthi u-credible kangakanani. Ba-check-a nje inamba ukuthi lo njalo kuze uthola amehlo awu-100,000 on average. Hayi lamehlo awu-average awu-100,000 sicela ukuwakhombisa le shambuzane nibuke phela yazi kuyagembuleka iyamasha le shanezi. Yabo, it becomes something like that. But Thobeka athi ngingakuphula ulimi.
No, sorry, ngiyaxolisa ukuthi ngidive kanje, because I was also gonna say the same thing ukuthi it's everyone, because now as an influencer, like it's not like bavele bayifake i-content kwi-page lakho. Like they send you proper emails. Like every other week I have a new email from a gambling company on my emails. So siyayithanda i-content yakho nani babaqala ngene ngaloyo line leyo mase baku-offer share, and it's real good money. But because I have an understanding of what also Jack is saying, ukuthi my followers bangakanani in terms of age, yabo? So they are from this certain age to a certain age, yabo? Even when I did a collaboration recently for an event, I wanted them to specifically put on the thing, which no, 18 years and above. Yeah, well, because I understand the audience, like I have so many kids, even at church, yeah, and I try by all means in everything that I'm part of, it does not affect the message, or rather the vision that I have for a brand Gatobek. Yeah, well, and it's something that I've taken upon myself, and I think we can say whatever, but nakhona umuntu as a brand, you also have a decision ukuthi, and a contribution ukuthi kahle kahle what it is that you are trying to get out to the world.
Umuntu as a brand, like as an influencer.
Yes, because you're a brand.
Yeah, ukuthi laba abanemthambo kanuki ibona laba vele bachathelwe kakhulu basadlane vele kiyo labo bawugqenqenqe lezi zindaba zifunde fine line ezivele zithathe kumasha.
And that's the pretty part.
Because ilento yabona lento ithi lama influencer lawa azenza ukuthi wona ethical okanye print safe anime kancane kona. Lama brand lawa anezinto ezi-right ayifaki imali eningi ku-advertisement okanye bawufaki kuma abanayo budget enkulu for ama-influencer, yabo? So wrong no wrong lo ohlangene aziye. Because yabona manje mesingase si-check nje emzansi ukuthi obani imaphi ama-brand ane-budget e-high kwi-advertisement. You can even see nakuma-billboard uzorealize gambling ihamba phambili kuze utshwala.
Okay.
Yebo, but asikhulumi kabi ngotshwala just in case behalela ukuza kodwa ngeke beze ngoba utshwala sishimiza ivele. Yebo, asishimiza ivele otshwaleni kodwa vele angeke mfethu yabo. So yibona alcohol gambling number 1 when it comes to i-budget marketing.
Uzamanzi nekofi.
O-Starbucks nama-influencer okanye ama-coffee shops nama-influencer ngeke nje uhlangane ngeke nje uhlangane izinto zo-wellness ziyafakela i-budget but akusinto ethile.
The same, yeah.
It's not the same as lezi
Yeah.
yabo.
Face.
Manje kodwa blind but ama-brand njenganisho ngoba ayayistadisha le mpahla ngoba manje bazokufica njengobusho unamehlo 100,000 elokezini but la usuwakhona nespace ulambile angatwa wesiyafika wenza njani leyo situation
Ibrazi.
ulambile manje awunatwa
Lapho ibona kuphela abazali laba aba-right hayi badinga usend i-proposal.
Labo bafuna
Usend i-proposal.
Kakuziba. Share meeting no check. Starbucks lungile.
kuthiwanike kulapho
Bangaphendula. Nabo phethwe bagcwele every other week uma ngitshela khona umuntu.
Thini manje Thome?
No, but so maybe let me push it on your direction, Gangan. So are you saying that there needs to be a stricter way that the algorithm works? Because even the brand that is trying to put this money behind this influencer, there should be a way that they're held accountable. Because it doesn't make sense the way some of these things are pushed. Like, I'm talking about kid influencers, but you look at what they're promoting, you're like, no way. And sometimes it's not like they put it in your face. No, he's going to be doing his thing and then there he's gambling on his phone. So it makes it seem like it's what he does. You see, so part of it is what the algorithm has done. It finds you with like you have maybe 2-3 videos that pop. Then because of those numbers, you gain a following. Now, the people who are following you, they're following you because they saw you. Nothing else. If I didn't see that video, I was not going to follow you. And the reason that video, because I even had this moment that really like made me so angry. On Instagram, you can follow an account and never see that person's content. They'll just feed you random things. Like you can follow finance accounts. Like I follow maybe 50 finance accounts because I want to know what's happening in the stock market. But every time I need to refresh my algorithm because now I'm seeing soccer. Okay, cool, I like soccer, but where's the people I followed? Why am I not seeing the content of the people I followed? I'm seeing this kid that's dancing. Okay. Like who's this, who do I hold accountable for that video? I don't want to see this. And even if you go not interested, let's say someone sends you a video, you go into that video, they realize what you still like this type of content. I'll give one typical example, TikTok. They know how to trigger you. They'll send you these videos of American cops like brutalizing a black person in the car. It's your natural proclivity to want to see drama. So they manipulate you to watch that content and then start giving you more to try and shape your worldview. So something needs to be done because as much as we can say, oh, it's the people, but there's some really bad tactics being used where they'll give you something nice. They play with your emotion. You get something nice and sweet. Oh, a loving couple. Boom. Bombs in Afghanistan. Boom. An ad. They're playing with your emotional levels. So who do we hold accountable?
Yabo nje ukukhuluma brazo ngiyasho ukuthi yazi into ebuhlungu kunazo zonke. Ya i-algorithm angeke si-excuse ne. Into ebuhlungu kunazo zonke ukuthi labantu aba-blind abekho ku-social media. Abantu aba-blind ngempela mfethu. Bayiphilela impilo zabo they are off grid. So for the fact ukuthi kusekhona kwala ku-social media sabheke ithemba it's like into oyibonayo ukuthi hey, I'm not sure if I'm making sense.
But bakhona,
Because-
bakhona. There's a few accounts. As I'm saying, like sometimes you can actually find someone who's doing content on farming.
Yeah.
Show 100 views. Proper content, how to start a farm, how to build your farm, the type of soul, 100 views. They'll never break past 100 views. They'll even call it a jail. 100 views jail. But this person, Jay, there's nothing this person should be telling the youth. 1 million followers.
So much blaming algorithm, what control then do we have? Not to say we're blaming it completely kule nto esizama ukuyenza. Because yeah, yona i-fucked up yona because bona banama-objective abo ukuthi ekugcineni kosuku nje la kumele uthenge something. Awukwazi nje kuscrolla nje si-entertainane nawe. If asiku-influence-anga ukuthi thenga la kutemu or thenge kwiki. Asenzanga umsebenzi.
Sponsor me. Business.
Yeah, but hey, i-ghost iwona awubazi amathekeni nama-shopping carts akutemu kancane kancane 1 2 3 1 2 3 bamvezela into ayithandayo ayi-order same time.
Hayi mina sekunebhadi, ngaloba ibhadi noma inhlansi. Sekuvele nje kuvele angazi ngiyadonate, kumele ngidonate imali u-150 noma ikephi iy'ngane ziyakhala kuthiwa babishaya i-interview kuthiwa kuye ngona basishaya ngelanga njengayeza. Kuthi kete. Bakazi bathini. Njalo bro yazi dude. Like ngoba uJackson kuvele enye base kuvele iy'ngane ey'khala ezithi.
Akusho ukuthi uyayibukela. Uyabona mele uyibukela iy'ngane.
Angibuki ngihlangana emapini.
Akuyazi ukuthi ziyakhala zithi kwithi.
Had to listen. No, maybe like I'm supposed to do something.
Yabamba lapho ukuthi ayayithanda le content.
Bamukela umuntu edansa bamnikeza futhi bathi kusho nje ungayithanda uthandi lo asekuphinde ngalona.
It's so bad. Let's say uthethe ngisendele ivideo coffee.
Yeah.
I watched that one he sent me. As ngiphuma sengibona ucoffee manje. Sekugcwele ucoffee. And the people that I follow, that I want to see their content,
Awubona
then when you go on that person's page, what's his 6 new posts? So you're like, why didn't this guy want to feed?
Shapiro uthini mfethu, you consume content online noma uyacreate uposte kuphela uphuma wami.
I choose what I consume, you know, first. I don't just
Yeah.
watch anything. Because ibalulekile ngoba phela manje hey,
Awunazo lezi inkinga lezi ze-feed, algorithm ikufeed
I
nonsense.
control it, man. It does. They will pop up eventually.
Yeah.
Because now they need to do whatever they have to do to make sure they make money. But I try my best not. I think if it's my solutions when it comes to this, is to create our own platform as Black people, bro, and then just push the content it. You know, that is gonna build our society or our community. Because I can't, you know, you can't say these guys must stop doing what because this is what is make these guys good Benzimali. Was Mombu, if it's all these social media platform when they started, the people that they were there in the beginning, abaseko manje. Why? Because bayaz le nombola iko current. Abayenza but la machita sekona man, they don't care about people, bro. And on top of that, you see with Lamar, see most of Jova to Gaza, they don't even use these platforms. Nenganza. Why? Because bayaz lempafi temecha kanjani society siphilakiyo, yabo. So the solution, because no government ngenze lutho pro government because akanandaba nabantu, is for our people to start building their new platform and then maybe can try and push into a positive energy. Because you know, bro, each channel they have their own TikTok, bro. You never see interpreter la pana. But uzoboni ngane shama robots, uboni like bro, ga register a number, bro. Register a platform into buza numtarara ntaws into buza now very nje ungene kuyona. Masuphakathi futhi content ozoyibona izinto ezakhayo nje kuphela, bro. How to build this, how to build that. So uyabona ukuthi alabashanga ruta serious kanjani, but how can you build a platform ongasebenzi this way? Uyinika abanye abantu. Then uzokwakhe yakhe ezosetshenziswa abantu
Phela mabeyazi ukuthi i-drug
Angithi yabona.
kudidla bo.
Masuke sibuzelani pho sifuna ubonani. Uwona iphusane masuke kubuza ukuthi ufunani. Usho select. Only for you to just get nonsense, things that you don't want.
No, another way to think about it is a video that gets 1 billion views. Really, 1 billion of us were all interested in that video.
Nah, yeah.
We all wanted to see this video.
Nah, chief.
We really wanted to. I wanted to see Aisha
And
speak.
le nombolo yama views. Doesn't mean umuntu uyahlala ebook noma ukupatch. Because how do you measure views?
Because it's not ukuthi umuntu uhlalile wayibuka. No, upejile i-account to that billion.
No. And sometimes
When that ibona basuke beyipushe kwi-direction yakhe.
yeah, it comes to your feed. That's what I'm saying. It comes to your
Wathi
feed.
yafika nje kwena isiyapha.
And it counts. And then another thing that happens is because humans believe in peer validation, you will stop and watch a video that has 600 comments and maybe 1 million likes. Just to be curious to understand why did they like this video? You see, and that counts as a view. Because you already saw so many people coming to like, okay, what did they say? So that video coming to you, you had no interest in watching it, but you see the number of comments, you're like, hey,
Bro,
Should
let me,
supply.
yeah, that means it's a
bro,
good
we
video.
have seen our clips here, bro. The clip impact shy million.
The one that has sense, in doubt.
Never.
Content yonke.
Bro, exactly.
The algorithm knows how to pick up those. The parts where someone pulled out a gun at me and check us. You're not trained. The parts about building a business are in there. That moment, I'm taking Theo to Legends Bar, but yeah, if it's the story say check us. Like they're paying like
Abayisonga yonke into ebalulekile.
Hayi, i-algorithm ayinandaba nalokho.
But could it be ukuthi the way people tell these useless stories? Could it be that's also another issue?
Hey, they tried to make a fun. They tried to tell good stories and positive things.
No,
Yeah.
but like
Once they are positive, nje,
into right, like khumula esikoleni. Like yabo mfethu esigele mufanisa uthisha we-physics nothisha we-life science. Abangani bami khenathethe engangifuna nayo sithenga hayi. Yabo mfethu uRaj mefundisa life science. He made it sound so entertaining, dude. Like sasiyiphasa, bruh. I must figure with physics. Yazi sisaphume emakhalibhele masazi ne-period ye-physics. We were dragging our feet, bruh. We're like, wait, lapho khona amongst us. Khona abafundi bodokotela khona abafundi bayini. Oh, they are pursuing those careers to this day. But nje, bruh, it was dragging. Kwalokuthi shintshe othisha be-maths abanye othisha usho ukuthi we umuntu une-maths lapho futhi athi uyithandani i-maths last year ngoba usunothisha o-wrong nje mfethu onganandaba ongayifaki i-effort. It takes so much from you, yabo? But also could it be ukuthi izinto that are impactful that people need I spark creativity kubantu. Then when you see someone dancing, nendlela ayenza ngayo. Of course, because the mind is curious.
Yeah, you're
Yeah, but-
making a valid point. 'Cause
Yes,
yeah,
I think also people should find ways of
Educate,
that are creative to
entertainment,
educate people because people are different.
Yeah.
You find because there's the yellow side of the brain, sorry, not right and the left side, sorry, of the brain. So about bahlukile. Yabo, because sometimes you find ukuthi umuntu nje uthi uyistorm eklasini nanani because uhlule ukuthi alalela uthisha phambi kwakhe. Basayishayela incwadi edladleni. Awushayi sonke sipoe emakani. Thothi ade ngekho eklasini futhi. Ngoba uyazi ukuthi iklasi alimsebenzeli vele. There were those people. Sikhula. But also, could it be ukuthi that's another contributing factor?
So you're making a valid point. I think education is as well now, man. I think probably it's much better if it's more edu entertainment at the same time. Because corner abantu fethu that especially now because of what we've been fed, are cool into entertainment.
Yeah.
So it's kind of like better if you package it in the way of entertainment but education at the same time, where somebody's gonna learn something.
Right.
And I'm entertaining pair. I mean, we've had guys behlekisa, but at the same time, boca uyakufundisa kodwa as much as ekuhlekisa kodwa uzoshilo line awushayela uqinisile. You know what I mean? So nalokho kuyasiza. I think enye yezinto mhlambe nathi singayizama, you know, to make sure ukuthi i-algorithm even though izopush nonsense kodwa uzohleya kodwa uphinde ufundiseke ekugcineni.
Because why would if you educating a newborn, right? Mufundisa ingane, why would they put rhythms like music, like your A B C D and then when life gets old, then you think ukuthi the only way to educate someone is if you are like serious.
Bring something, huh?
If the foundation is that,
Yeah, and then later
what
on you stop
you
that.
then change.
Yeah, true. Yeah, it makes sense.
There's a first point you made there that I want to maybe look at it
Sure.
in a different way, Uguti. sometimes it's the way the information is packaged.
Right.
Guti. Like even we'll just give an example. To read a book, it's not an easy thing. That's why most people don't read books. But you can be taught to read a book. If you grew up in a house where there was books, there's a good chance you read books. And for the people who read books, they understood, hey, no, reading a book is actually not that bad. And I can read books. So my argument is, naturally we'll call them vices, for lack of a better word.
Yeah.
It's like your father knows that you like chocolate and then makes the whole room full of chocolate. And then they say, it's your choice. You can choose not to eat the chocolate, boy. But here's a video of a fight. Who wouldn't want to watch a video of a fight? Wouldn't it tackle up? We're like, yo, it triggers things in you. They've studied our psychology. They know how to get you hooked. Then they put the things there. And they know that you like rhythm, for example. Then they put the music there. They've studied you. And the things that they're putting before you are not just benefiting you. They're also killing you. They're making your attention span is decreased. Look at the attention span of kids today. Like I was sitting at McDonald's and someone was scrolling on their phone. I was like, no way they can decide on not watching a video that quick. What is it? What? I'm like, you have 0.1 second to decide if you're watching something. What has come to our attention span? But again, it brings me back to that. They know you. They know you like fights. They know humans like drama. They know that words are boring. They know all these things and they say, cool, now that we know this, here's what you like. Here's this 12-year-old boy who's just coming into puberty. Pump the things that you know he would like because of his state of mind. It's like how the algorithm of ads work. It's like what Shepard was saying. We can talk about something now. Next thing you know, there's that thing on your phone. It's gotten to that level where they can pick up on conversations to try to control your mind, to give you the content that you were talking about. So it's very hard to just blame it on the person and the people creating good content. Because there's really, I'll give you an example. When I first downloaded TikTok, there was this guy that used to teach astrophysics. I really loved his content, but he just disappeared. Like, he just disappeared. But I used to like his content, comment, ask questions. He just disappeared. And it's not that he stopped making content. They started showing me more fights videos. And because I'm a boy and I like fights, I just started watching more fights videos. So it's two ways. Yes, you have a responsibility, but at the same time, they've studied human psychology. They have a database of 1 million people. Humans are predictable in the way we think, the way we speak, the way we act. So once they have a model of how you think, they can easily trigger you to think the world is going nowhere. They can trigger you into believing global crisis. They can trigger you into there's no land left in the world, even though you can go outside and see all the land where you stay, but they tell you there's no green land left.
But yabo Jack, ngiyakuzwa uthini. We are aware of these things, and why are we not changing the way things are done? Because sasiyazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. Yabo, yes, exactly.
But munga mesingacisha lokurekhoda lokhu uzongena efonini yakho wenzeni wena?
Kanjani? I was like, I'm gonna go through my phone.
No, sekusho ukuthi yabo nje basazi. Uma kucisha la sesicishile ukurecord sekuthiwa ke ngiyagoduka uzongena efonini wenzeni? You're not gonna doom scroll.
No. Sekusuku. But also, no, but the politician check them. There's this book thingy, the book account that I follow. It's called Daily Books or something. Like number one Yamalal. So now I have to intentionally search them in order for me to watch their content.
Uyayizwa kodwa lento eyadishiwe uJack nje because mina bengingafuni futhi nokuargusha nayo kakhulu bengifuna ukuthi si-understand nje ipoint lakho sil-clarify.
But like why
Because ukwazi
fix
kwethu-
izinto because siyazazi
Shinga musi yebo mina like uJack ungizele nepoint elimnandi even like from eqaleni ukuthi so evidently if lezi zinto like there's possible ukuthi TikTok usebenza kahle China and kids like they're active and all this so kushuthi there is someone responsible and nje sisho nathi ukuthi okay kunama brands the alcohol brands they have big marketing budgets nani once again it shows ukuthi there is someone responsible into engathi inkinga, there's a disconnect here I don't government. A disconnect between society and nalabantu that have like this power or to be like the people that are the driving factors towards these behaviors. Ngathini when it comes to social media or government, even advertising. Yabo, if you want to government or as a society, nane both okay, there's too much alcohol advertising. Kunendlela ukuthi stop it. Yenziwa with tobacco. Tobacco, you don't see posters and billboard tobacco all over the place, but they still find a way yokuthi by promote ema event where they know ukuthi this space is space abantu aba over 18 mhlawumbe bayabhema yaphuzo, and then you get those guys abadayisa tobacco. So there is ways, but it seems like there's no willingness from the people that are the drivers of these things. Mhlawumbe ama-brands, they're not willing ukuthi mhlawumbe to change the society in that way. But babheka ama-numbers, or they're not even aware, or abayibheki noyibheka lokho, because it's such a numbers game so much. So ngasho ukuthi ipoint la Jackie ebelingichaza indlela like the question ebeyibuza ukuthi like where is the problem. So ngasho ukuthi like mhlawumbe there's a disconnect there, the brands and society, or with government, society, well, but nje more and more.
So I think that's powerful, Musa, yabo. I think enye into I think one highlight from what you just said was ukuthi government unayo ipower yokuthi afake ama-restrictions kulezi zinto lezi abazifida zona ezibhedayo. Because for example, njengoba wenzile i-tobacco was banned because yai-advertiswa kakhulu kudala, but manje bakwazi ukuyibhena. So government is just that uslow ekubheneni i-betting nalokho okunye okubhedayo. However, there's this still issue ethi the reason why bezozibe advertise bayazi ukuthi le nto abayikho right for abantu. They cannot promote a healthy living or sustainable living for abantu. They want to keep us kule position esikuyona so that bezokwazi ukuthi balibele besifida le nonsense abasifida yona. For example, uma ingaphuma i-gambling, lesa slot ebesine-gambling sekuzongena i-fast food. I-fast food yona, is it even healthy for people? No. Yabo? So izona izinto ezishintshana kanjalo. However, it's very important to highlight ukuthi labantu abasiphethe bona kumele babe ne-willingness yokuthi baze nezinto ezi-positive ezolekelela ukuthi abantu when they go into these spaces bangathatheki advantage ngale ndlela okwenziwa ngayo, because nabo bebengawubhena into ebhedayo kule nto ukuthi ku-social media kona wonke lama platforms o-TikTok no-Facebook noba ukuthi uma ukhuluma into ongekho sho ngayo sayibhena le account. Wena oza nento e-right, udokotela, sharp, khuluma ngobudokotela. Uma usuya emalini awume kancane. Umculi, khuluma ngomculi. Uma ususitshela ama-life advice, brazo, siyayibhena le content yakho, yabo? Okanye siyayi-restrict izinto ezikanjalo. They do have those powers.
China did it.
I was going to say Europe as well. And
Europe as well.
they now try to put a law that
Yeah.
if you're going to say that you're teaching people about finance, at least show us a degree that's related to
Europe ukighost ukuthi wena kangincane ngoba vele ihlezi i-restrict abantu kwizinto zabo. Akho freedom of speech lapha e-Europe. E-Europe nje kwizinto ey'ningi uma ungavumelani nalento abayenzayo ne-agenda yabo bayakhipha. Because nawo yabo manje nje babefaka lo restriction, mhlambe sebefuna ukuthi ama-banks kube iwona enza leyo nto. I-Europe nje ayiphumi nje kuthi nje.
No, I was going to say that to your point, Uguti. I was first going to say that's the good part.
Yeah.
There's countries who are doing it. They even banned, I think, under 16. You're not allowed to be on social media. So they've put some strict measures. And if you look at the data on why, that's even more important to why they're doing that. Suicide rates, the effects on mental health. There's a lot of data that went into that decision because it wasn't an easy one. But the counter is also true, Uguti. How much power do you want to give the government? You want them to dictate what we consume. You see, how much do we trust the government? Then it becomes an infringement of freedom of speech. Uguti, are we saying that society can't choose what they listen to? You know, it's a fine line to play with by saying, Uguti, government must ban voices, because next thing they're going to start banning other political views. They're going to start banning any content that makes them look bad. Then you start moving into a more autocratic society less democratic. So there's a fine line on how much power do you want the government to have to choose what my kid watches on their phone. Do I want the government to dictate that really? Do I trust them to give them the right content? Will they not replace gambling with fast food and say fast food is right and I can't say anything otherwise because they can ban my account? So it becomes a very nuanced conversation, but it's not to say that government must have no role to play, but it needs collaboration between us as society and government to both co-decide on what we think is best, because we can't just say government. And another thing is government is not having these conversations fast enough to talk about the impacts of the things that these kids are consuming. So think about the 5 top influencers for young kids have produced nothing real but content. And even their content is just content. Drama, stories, just look at all the podcasts. Stories, drama, girls who are wearing half they promoting that thing that they know that kids want to see baddies or they want to see this, so invite them on your show. So if you look at the 5 people influencing the youth, what have they created? What have they produced outside of content? Nothing. But those are the things kids are looking up to. So what does it tell you about the next 10, 15 years? Because that's the person I'm looking up to.
Yeah.
My goal in life is to be famous.
What?
Ukuthi kwa-society yangiqala ukuthi ufuna uku-unite makwenze njani? Ngoba yazi mina ngase ngithi mhlawumbe umuntu omnyama akakwazi uku-unite or ezinye izinto. Kwathiwa abahambe. Indlela aba-unite ngayo bangithusa. It's like what do you guys like kufike ilokhunjana i-Women for Change niya-unite, like what do you guys want to unite for? Because kunezinto engaba mhlambe siyahlanganela siyixoxe, we like nichuza kanjani ukuthi hayi ke le siyayisupport. Ngoba zonke lezi zinto lezi especially lezi eziwu2 bafethu, hey nasukuma bafethu. Nasukuma sanibona, yabo? Sanibona ukuthi no nisukumile. Nichuza ka uma usuhleli usucofa ifoni usuthi hayi yabona ke manje. Ya. Iyona ke le. Siyabhaka siyabaxosha ke manje.
lesigudla ngawo.
Mase kuthulekile futhi sekuthulekile. It's like there was never a campaign. It's nje sharp.
Really?
Bread.
These things are motivated by money.
So no, that's why I'm saying ukuthi yabo abantu bangakwazi ukunite kube kusibe nama social standard right ukuthi fethu kwasathini ikho into ebheda ibhokotho ayithini, yabo? Ku comment section okanye kwini, yabo? Cause good. That's uthini.
Hayi. Ukuthi mfethu, sinalenkinga thina mfethu nabantu bakithi. We are easily influenced ezinto ezenzakalayo, especially ku-Insta. Thina wafaka imali phakathi mfethu, yabo? Mangenanyuku but inesikole asikho baningi. Bakhona but asikho baningi. Ngale ndlela le esizosiphusha imali phambili and then izosibona solandela. Gambling imasha kangaka because of it. Angithi yabo? Nalezo zinto okhuluma ngayo ukuthi siyakhona ukuthi si-unite for certain things. Angithi kodwa umuntu osuke ba-driver lezo zinto kune-brand ethize esuke iphusha leyo mpahla ngemumva. Angithi yabo? Ukuthi thina okwethu umsebenzi wenza sure ukuthi nivela wona wonke lamakhona. Angithi yabo? Ukuze lento le enenza or esifuna ukuthi niyenze ikwazi ukuthi ihambe. Yangiyabo? Umzekelo njengoba Dash usho ibhera, kunama episode esinawo la avayile uthi uyabamba uthi yabo? Kube khona ama-episodes bethu uthi uyabona bethu ukuthi yabo kade kushawa isikole esithile la siphethe udokotela ehamba ngenye into obufithayo ukuthi mfethu wonke umuntu wakithi kufanele ngabe yabo la uyayikhonzyuma la mfethu athathe la kube khona izinto athatha ayoyisebenzisa. But uthi uyabuka mfethu, ngeke uzokube ngathi manje le mpahla into econtrol-iwe kwayikhona laphana ukuthi hayi no le nombolo yabo ayinayo la. Angithi yabo? So ngaso sonke isikhathi kuna something or someone ngemumva mfethu odriver leyo, yabo? So asikwazi ukuthi kuphela sizoyibeka kumuntu yabo umuntu nayo nama-brands umuntu nama-brands
uZulu akahlangane mfethu ahamba ayexosha ama-drugs ne-violence ey'koleni mfethu. Can you imagine bezohlangana abantu umphakathi unite uthi hey yekani ama-drugs yekani i-violence la nike nihlanganele nje into so kodwa-ke brazo ubani simprimayo ngoba le nto uyabona ukuthi bonke labantu so there's us, there's algorithm, there's government. I mean when I say us as the user, you yourself njengoba ku-TikTok i-content eyiconsumayo so that mhlawumbe mase siconsume kakhulu i-content ye-positive bazofuna ukuzo-advertise kule content e-positive sharp at least yabo but-ke nakhona-ke bazasoze acabanga sebethi andibusha i-gambling la bafana bami nangu noma u-20M ngithi siyayibuka le
Ukhumbula face mawukhumbula
bathita gembulani bafeni responsible
akhumbula no uSkit wayichaza ispace nale
sure
but wayithola naye kuleso situation ukuthi ekuse kuyabheda kunjani njani akuhlangana izinto
Kodwa
mayivela le
mayivela
nombolo uthi hey madoda angizothi ngito wayithatha wasebenza waba grand nani wabuya kodwa mbuyela ingqondo uthi hayi no akusiyinto le uyiyona le ngiyidriver le yabo akusiyinto engifuna ukuyikhuluma kwasekuqaleni kwangayona le ndlela so mase ngihamba ngale ndlela sengilimaza angithi yabo le wadona angithi yabo but kuphelele lapho
bona
angithi yabo like
kodwa but yeah
present
Ilona
silambile faith silambile sinatwa njengoba siyilambele
sothini mfethu silambe kanje
Hey, but thinking lento eshiye mjadulu the next 10 years kuzobe sekunjani, you know, kulamba kwethu manje then produce abantu abanjani
That's the prize.
yabo because i-gambling mfethu kwimanje ama-results akuyavela 75% bro of our people from 18 to 35 baphakathi leya nombolo and these are breadwinners. Hayi ngicabanga uzama ukugembula yonke imali esipanini musuholile ukugembula yakhe nomndeni wabantu abangadlile kwenzakalani because belivele wayithatha wayifaka le egembula banoni umndeni wakhe ulambile.
It's deep, Lento Ekhulumayo, Shepherd, because people don't understand when they say something is addictive. You know, it's some of us we don't indulge in alcohol or anything. I've had the grace of being with someone who's trying to leave something that they're addicted to. It's like they go mad. Like they will fight me. But they told me, "Jack, no matter what story I tell you, don't give me the money. If it's funny mali yami." So now I have to stand there and say, if it's zombulana, but just bros. Why? Because someone is addicted. Oh, there's actually my teacher when I was in high school. He was our principal. He gambled and lost his house, his family. He gambled till he lost everything. And then he had to go into counseling, rehab. Just think about that. Some of the reasons why I don't do like drinking and that is because I've seen people who are trying to leave it fape. I'll never go enter somewhere where I'm seeing people trying to come out and they can't.
and
Now-
failing.
Someone says gambling is as addictive as alcohol. Take a moment to think about that. So this 12-year-old, and people mustn't, the stats are saying from 17 or from 18, but there are people who are 14, 15. I've met kids in high school saying, if it's no, this game fits in Fagiman. Oh. You in high school, what do you mean Fagiman? And you said that a team is losing. Do you know what you're building? That habit will work with you the rest of your life because it's something that is addictive. It's not an opinion. You can be addicted to gambling. So yeah, and let's just think about the next generation of kids who they look up to Speed, who runs around Shama backflip, Uguti. That is my goal in life, to be like Speed. To be who are those guys that say that group of
What would you do if Uteo afya warathi speed role model yami?
That's what I'm saying. Something you wouldn't accept as sober as you are, but you allow yourself to go and follow that.
Right.
Uyabona?
And unesenti
Ndiyafuna ukuba streamer time.
unesenti
The money.
unesenti
unesenti elihlanya ngempela uthi uyabuka ngempela phethe nali isenti
Afuna straight.
access speed ukushaya backflip
yeah
ukushaya isenti
bafethu ukuthi mina ngikwazi
telling
ukukhuluma
you,
kabi
Yona.
ngoSpeed angikwazi ukukhuluma kabi ngoSpeed ngiyamncane mina bafethu angikwazi ukukhuluma kabi ngaye nina ningamgceka
Yini ethanda?
Yo, simncanyiwe. Nami ngimncanyiwe. Angimgxeki mina.
yeah
kamuthini Chinese
efuna ukuba extreme
No role model yakho speed.
Speed masha
uphwa ngomoya wakhe
masha
Can I ask you a question?
yeah
Why? Why do you love what Speed has done?
okay asiqale sikhulume kanjeni asiqale si-categorize kanje ukhuluma nomuntu owachuza i-career path that was not easily understood at the time so where I come from ngangeke ngitshela abantu ukuthi ngifuna ukuba i-photographer because kungekho lula ebazalini ukuthi ba-accept ukuthi bacabanga ukuthi izongibeka la ngikhona njengamanje yabo ukustreama intwana yami ingafikela kule position la izokwazi ukuzisustainela khona impilo yayo iphila impilo yayo sharp uSpeed impilo ayiphilayo i-sharp la ntwana compared to all the other influencers engiwabona yabo in a sense yokuthi i-stream ba-streama 24 hours sometimes ba-streama isikhathi eside ukuthi even noma bekuthiwa ubu-actor-ke la ntwana kuvela ubuwena yabo and namanye ama-messages awaphushayo I'm not saying ukuthi ntwana yami hambe yoba inkinga mhlawumbe ngaba sekuthenini ngi-accept ukuthi intwana yami ifune ukuba i-stream yabo and then izama ukucontrol ukuthi intwana fana nokuthi intwana ifuna ukuba i-celebrity kanye ifuna ukuba famous asiyenze leyo nto but let's get a purpose let's find a deeper reason ukuthi why ufuna ukuyenza yes uSpeed uku-inspire sharp yabo but asithole a deeper story ukuthi yabo why wena kumele uyenze what impact are you gonna have to the world by doing that for doing that
So basically, it's because he's succeeded in doing it and it can sustain his life.
yeah intwana yami yes yeah
And I'm saying, Speed, I'm going to tell you when you like Speed because he's succeeded in streaming and it's making him a living, right?
nanokuthi usharp
Sharp kanjani.
awuzinto azenzayo iy'ntwana
You've
sharp
watched his
leyantwana
content?
leya yeah so in a sense yokuthi
I've watched his content.
yes ngikuchazelile yabo uSpeed more than anything inayo ikhona i-content yakhe entertaining ikhona i-content ukuthi lo mshana okay let me make a typical example ne uSpeed when he came to Africa he didn't just do it like he's done that thing in a way that engakaze yenziwe before ukuthi you go to people's houses you respect a person for being a person yes bese kube khona la element yokuba i-celebrity ukuthi kumele ube protected kumanye ama-environment but you go with that mindset i-character yakhe iwumuntu okanjalo yes ikhona le mpalelo side li-entertainayo then fethu angazi ngaya deep
No, but I think what you're trying to say. For me, I think what you're trying to say, Uspidi has shown something about a black man that has never been shown.
yes ngaye
get
futhi yes so
For being himself.
yeah so
Yes, I
intwana
get
imithi
you.
iboniswe
Yeah.
ngoSpeed
Yeah,
yabo
yeah.
ayikho inkinga because i-character yakhe nginokuyibona
Yeah.
kuma streams sharp
Yeah.
but into iba seghostini ukuthi intwana yami ufuna ukuba i-streamer sure i-stream eSouth Africa ihamba kanjani into yakhona imeki but mhlambe since ngimdala nina wena uyintwana uya-understanda kangcono sharp so why ufuna ukuyenza lento ne ufuna ukuyenza lento okay let's find a deeper purpose for you so that uma usuyishaya nempahla ukustream ube ne-impact positive because ukuba famous nokuba nenyuka ngeke kukufulfill at some stage at some stage uma usube nayo yonke imali waba nayo yonke ifame you have to find a way to give back so that uzogculiseka nawe so ikanjani intwana yami nje noma intwana yami engathi ifuna ukuyo-DJa sharp noma engathi ifuna ukuba i-content creator sharp but why understand ungayibuki at face value so angisho ukuthi ku-wrong ukuthi kwathini sharp ntwana yami wena ufunani azi but kukhona ezinye ngeke ngimvumela ukuthi azenze but leyo ku-stream eboniswe oSpeed fethu sharp izinto abazenzayo labashana ezinye ziwu-sharp
No,
esadini baya-entertain abenza izinto ezingena ezumsangano ukushaye ama-backflip sharp but ezinye izinto lo mjida ama-network kaSpeed fethu ukwazi ukuhlala no-president
president,
basendaweni ukwazi ukuthini so fethu
The reason I'm asking these questions twofold. Ne? One is there's this misconception of value, something that is valuable, and then something that is perceived as valuable. Right? I'll give you, you know, the NFTs when there was this hype, Uguti, you must buy a picture of a monkey for 5 million. Do you remember that
Yeah.
phase of society where everyone was telling Gary Vee was saying,
2021.
yes, all the
2021.
big guys were saying, buy these things because it's valuable. And people spent a lot of money, but those things now are just pictures to many of them. They're worth nothing. So I like that you ended the point by saying, Uguti, it has to tie into a purpose. Because the critique we have is not that he isn't brilliant or that there isn't a space for that. The critique is that 5 million people want to be speed. We need someone who's going to be a farmer. We need someone who's going to be an electrician. We need people who are going to be influenced by electricians, who are going to say, hey, I want to be an electrician, because after you'll all go and become streamers, you're going to have no electricity, no food, no infrastructure, nothing. You're going to be addicted to gambling. You're going to stream and gamble, stream and gamble, stream
How
and
would
gamble.
they stream when there's no electricity?
Yes, the point I'm trying to get to.
Nothing.
That's what where I was going to. It's not on an individual level, because now I'm someone who's conscious of how difficult it is to succeed in content, right? But I'm also really aware that all of these things that we think are real are like NFTs, whether it's social media, all of these things. The things that are real is the things you eat. When you're hungry, you forget about Instagram. You need to eat. When you're cold, you forget about Instagram. You need something warm to. You need a place to sleep. So the real world must not be undermined because the virtual world is perceived as valuable. It's a dangerous economy to build. That was the point I was trying to get at. Because I don't know if you see where I was coming from. Not to say what's in Anyako mustn't be a streamer.
No.
I will some child. I think every society is always gonna find itself into something of value. If the attention is there, then that thing becomes value. I mean, right now, sizobona nje amanzi manje asizo-asset very soon, because bazama yonke indlela ukwenza sure ukuthi amanzi aba-scarcity. So ipowerful le nto eshoyo, because I think it becomes a problem when sonke manje sesila and then sesikhohliwe izinto lezi ey'balulekile, ngoba na le nto ye-social media nayo iyadinga ukuba uphinde uyizose kancane, ngoba manje musikubambe phansi.
La phela kumele siyivale khona le topic ukuthi ekugcineni kosuku wena zoza u-social media lo ungenele into ofuna ukuyingenela, hayi ngoba ungene uvula ifoni ubuye ukwenza, uyiphatha ifoni uthi uyokwenzani kanti, yabo? Njengoba sesithi u-addicted ku-social media, ubudwadla uyokwenzani usuzobona izinto. Hayi ngithi khona into oboyiyena noma ufuna ukuyozi-entertain, ama kuyindlela ukuzi-entertain-a-ke, you are subjected to zonke lezi zinto ezenzekala khona. Yabo? So manje if ubuyele ukuyofunda, let's say manje uthi hayi athi ngiyobuka ngiyoqalaza idisk. Ngiyena uqalaza idisk, uma bekudidisa uqhubeke nedisk lakho uphuma uhambe. Ubuye ufuna into educational. Qalaza leyo mpahla uphuma uhambe. Hayi ukuthi usazoyosearch-ke manje. Ngifuna ukubona hayi la bekubamba khona-ke lapho uma uzothatha ifate yakho uyibeke kwi-random selection yabo yokuthi today ngathi ngingafunda something, but angazi yini engingayifunda, athi ngiqalaza ukuthi baphetheni ku-TikTok akhohlwa. Hayi ngathi ngingahleka-ke namhlanje, ngathi ngingahleka-ke namhlanje, athi ngibone ukuthi imaphi amavidiyo ahlekisayo ku-TikTok.
Imagine what type of society are we living in? It's like ungahleka ungakhala. Uyajabula, ungahleka uyakhala, uyajabula. And you said, and then you said, same time. We process kanjani yonke le nto. Akapheli even no 5 minutes. Usubone zonke lezi zinto.
Usunyanyile.
So people are even not, you can go into a comment section of a murder and abantu bashaya amakoma jokes. That's the effects. My theory is the effect of jumping between emotions is you lose touch with reality. Like you can literally see a bombing of a kid, parts of their body. Then the next thing is a joke and you laugh. Your mind went from seeing someone, something that would make any normal human being cold.
Yeah.
You went from that should take you out the app. But now you can see that, go into the comments and see someone make a joke about the arm. You laugh about the arm, you continue to your next video.
And this is where we are right now, bro. I mean, akhumbula eshere isitori sakhe ukuthi there's a rape. All over benza joke ngayo, but awubisi. And you're like, lo muntu ucabanga kanjani? Futhi wayefuna. So ila ubona khona imashi ngempela. Mashi labantu futhi manje abasenayo leya nto, empathy, imashile. ukuzwelana nje nabantu akusekho. Yabo.
Right, this too.
Kubuhlungu ngayo mfethu. There is nothing ongayenza manje ukushintsha leyo ndlela ukutacabanga.
Vele bamashile. Bamashe impela uyacanga ukuthi baba usothi omunye ubaba womuzi ukhulisa iy'ngane ngalowo mqondo.
Bafethu ukuthi mina le nto ejwayele ukungiphatha kabi siyayeka mfethu.
Asiyivalela le topic kumele siyivule.
Esiwafana impela.
Yazi ngakuphatheka kahle ukuthi kanjani mfethu uthole ukuthi ngiyawokha ne, wokha la emgaqweni. Uyabona wonke umuntu usefonini sibani. Uyahleka lona uyambona ukuthi u-serious ujulile uyahleka lo. Iyenzeka in real life uyabona
A
ukuthi
family, not even just about.
omunye mhlawumbe uthathe i-break esipanini lunch break. Uzithe lokhunja yakhe la uzithe dot. Yes, yabo la mpahla leya ngathi mangiyibuka. Let's do something nathi ngcono babuka i-content yethu kunokuthi cause balapha vele. Let's give them something already.
Yeah, bayibuke kodwa still.
At least kodwa ayibe
Yeah, take a break.
Le-break
sit.
ibalulekile.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bethu don't bafethu ngempela awungene ku-social media ngoba kukhona into ofuna ukuyenza. Nama role model enokhethayo ukuze wenze sure ukuthi uyamqalazisisa kahle lo muntu othi ufuna ukufana naye.
What has he achieved? What has he done? What has he built? What's his credentials? Because his opinion is going to shape your life. You know,
Wenzeni nje ukuze aze afike la ekhona mfethu. Ichriza mfethu lalijwayele ukuthi ungaphiki abanye abantwana bakweminye imizi ngoba ubazi ukuthi benzeni ukuze babe nalezi zinto abanazo. Nabo-ke labantu enibalandelayo anibazi benzani. Thank you.
Awakhothi esalwazi. Imashe yakho.
Baleka.
Musa.
Thank you mzala. Thank you Musasa.